Hello everyone. So today we're going to try an interesting kind of experiment. So when I normally go out and do magic, I like to ask interesting questions. Now, I'm a big superhero fan and I love the concept of superpowers. And sometimes I like to incorporate those type of illusions like moving things with your mind and doing or mind reading, as you guys see me do, and create the illusion and go connect with people. But one of the most common superpowers that people really want to know or be able to do is teleport. That or fly. Now, me personally, I love to fly. But teleportation would be so convenient, wouldn't it? If you think about it, teleportation is taking a solid, be it a human or an apple, for example, because we're all made of atoms or energy. All you have to do, scientifically and hypothetically, would be to separate and break down the structure and then move them to another location and reassemble. Therefore, you'd be able to teleport or to move. So I'm going to try my best to simulate this with a deck of cards. And the way to do that is I'm going to take out 3 black cards and 3 red cards, because I find colors are a really good way to kind of follow along. So I'm going to take 3 black cards here. I'm going to pop these into the box. We'll come back to those later. And now we're going to take 3 red cards, just for the visual purposes, obviously. And we'll set the rest of the deck aside. Now, like I said, the first step is to separate the structure. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that with a deck of cards. So watch carefully. We got the 3 red cards here. And of course, 3 black cards here. So we're going to do this one by one, alright? So here's the 3 black cards. We're going to set those off to the side, right here. And then of course, in my hand, I've got the 3 red cards. So we're going to mix them. We're going to go black, then red, because obviously I still have the reds in my hands. Then we're going to go black, red, black, and then, yeah, you guessed it, red. So now, all we've done is just gone black, red, black, red. Now watch. Because remember, the first step in teleportation is to separate the structure. In this case, it would be separating the colors. And if I did it right, I now have them separated. There's the 3 black cards. And obviously, if you're paying attention, that would mean that inside my hand, I have all the red cards. So now, since we got them separated, this is where the real fun can begin. Now, if you were here in person, I'm assuming that most of you guys are right-handed, so I would probably be like, go and hold out your right hand for me. And here's where it gets interesting. I would then hand you the red cards, but I think I'm going to try this differently. So we're going to place the black cards here. We're going to pop the red cards inside the box. Now I'm going to do this as slow as I can. Alright? Watch. We're going to take the 7 of spades. Because remember, we've already separated. And now, since they're already separated in their atomic structure, all we have to do is move them. Watch. Nothing in the hand. Watch. Just like that. I now have the red cards in my hands. So I have successfully moved them, just like so. But now, if the red cards are in my hands, that means that inside the card box lies the 3 black cards. Alright guys, peace out. Enjoy.